Microsoft Word shortcut keys? Tara, pataliliin natin ang gawain natin. Let's watch this video and subscribe. Simulan natin sa pinaka-basic. To select all text, Control A. To bold text, Control B. To copy text, Control C. To cut text, Control X. To paste text, Control V. To see formatting font window, Control D. For center alignment text, Control E. To right alignment text, Control R. For left alignment text, Control L. To justify alignment text, Control J. For italic text, Control I. To underline text, Control U. To save the document, Control S. To print document, Control P. Yun lang. Sana nakatulong. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.